Hello everyone. Silver has been in a clear established uptrend since last year, but the current acceleration is a clear confirmation of known fundamentals that you can still check on our platforms and on our website. But for now, let's check the technicals. On the daily chart, price has been moving inside a clear ascending channel, confirming a well-established bullish trend. Higher highs and higher lows continue to be respected, and momentum that started back in November remains intact. Now, when we overlay Bollinger Bands, picture becomes even clearer. The lower boundary of the uptrend aligns almost perfectly with the middle Bollinger Band. Historically, when prices trade between the middle and upper band, it signals trend continuation rather than exhaustion. Now, the last meaningful test of the middle band and the lower boundary of the uptrend occurred on January 8th. What followed was a strong bullish sequence, with prices spending extended time above the upper Bollinger Band, a clear confirmation that the uptrend momentum accelerated from that point. That same momentum drove silver above the January 23 highs, and prices are now trading above the previous uptrend, turning former resistance into support. The upper boundary of that old channel now acts as the local support near the psychological $100 level. All these signs are bullish signals. With silver now trading in uncharted territory, we rely on Fibonacci extensions to project potential resistance. The 161.8% extensions was briefly tested, and if the 180 to 120 zone clears again, the next major upside projection sits near $138.7, aligning with the 261.8% extension. Now, what about a pullback? Many long-term holders are asking that question, and it's valid. On the lower time frames, a corrective move would not damage the broader trend. Key levels to watch: the $100 psychological support. It stands out. It combines Fibonacci support with the lower Bollinger Band and the lower boundary visible on the hourly chart. Finally, keep in mind that the upcoming Fed meeting could inject short-term volatility. That volatility may test several of these levels before the market signals its next decisive move. For now, the structure remains bullish and silver continues to lead confidently.